Molweni. This is Thembelani Ngqali. Some call me Thera Mpehle. I'm using this language not because I like it, but I want to make sure each and every one of you out there who sometimes listening to my music, you must know that that composition is from a natural man from the village called Border Post, formerly known as Border Post actually. But at KwaNomzamo, KwaZakhele, that's where I'm coming from. It's been a while I'm here in East London trying to pursue my music, you see, but now I've got project that is out there. Mine is to warn you about the music that is coming from Eastern Cape. You see, I need to warn you so that you make sure that you've got extra cash that is out there to buy data and buy the merchandise that will be created. On the other hand, I am pushing my project called Cause, you see. But today, in this morning, I want you in this early day. I want you to share you about my history. In 2009, I was part of a group called Maranatha Gospel Group under David Cholis. Babasithi abanye nguba uToyoyo, abanye besithi president. I joined them. That's where their music started to be original, because I started to compose music for that group. 7 tracks in their first album were composed by me and for Maranatha, you see. Produced by Mobek and the late Thembelani Patal of BMP. From there on, I came out from that group and then formed Servants of Praise. They get support from ECPEC. We recorded, we bought some sound for promotion, because at that time it was so fortunate that my group was hired to back some lady from Durban. That project were not out, but it was so nice. We get paid very well in order to book the studio to record our music. Yeah, it was like that. Sikope, on that project, I composed the studio track number 12. Because Tera was saying, because we went there with 11 tracks, because the ladies were choose in terms of songs, and they are more than they overpowered me in terms of decision, even though I was a lead and the founder of the group. But because of trying to balance, I harmonized that. In effect, that I put them in front and guide them. You see, then we managed to record 12 tracks. Yadlala Eling FM. Get some interviews. Yadlala also Kwizule Themba. Commercially, it was like, not well marketed, in a manner that the budget, there was no budget except the one from ECPEC for recording. In 2018 years, I applied for Andy Lelendo, a funding from ECPEC in an annual program, something, man. I'm not sure of these names, you see, because but indeed we managed to get 12,000. He recorded at Legend, produced by Gary. I composed this, one of a track called Dalwam. He featured le ntombazana kasweli indawo lo nomdala I'm not sure. I will think about her name. And then in this Normalizo track, I composed the verses, and in Takkumbula also I composed the verses. I published it Udalwam, and then he managed the track managed to play listed at Alco FM, True FM, Metro, and Umhlobo Wenene. You see, and then Andile, I managed to pull through interview Alcoa, now Keith Ngesi online radio. You see, at that time I was doing a job assisting my brother. The business mind was not there at that time, but indeed there was expenditures because I used to pay a taxi for Andile, and pay a taxi for Mr. Mtichane, who used to play for Andile. You see, in my pocket, and there was no benefit at that time, but the passion was pushing that I must take the guy there. So I closed that project and focused on the gospel. We managed to record on the other project, and Praise Voices on 2013, produced by Mopec. It was 8 tracks recorded at ECVC. Yeah, supported by Ekpek again. In 2023, PCM supported me by 25,000 that I recorded EP, released a single, Ibali Lam, that managed to pull through attention in terms of digital presence, from social media to YouTube. Then I started to have other content distributed by Qualeo Distribution in a purchase distro, you see. And then now I'm promoting the collaborative project with New Era of Carter for Real, 043, Masbulele Jam. Yeah, we've got a deal of 50-50 in that project. Lengoma, I'm a lyricist. I written a lyrics, and also sing in the project. Lengoma, Cross, and other songs that is not yet released. Yeah, I'm so grateful of having that. But now I'm focusing on my music. Portia is currently finishing her project, produced by Mandis at Legend. The project is not yet out, but get ready. That music is so beautiful. It's not only her, and there are 9 of them who I'm working with them. They will expose themselves, they will talk about themselves, because for now I'm mentioning Portia because she's one of the artists that I manage. Also Tokotela Flow. Yeah, Tokotela Flow. I'm working with him, and also and others, man, and others. But I just choose those names who, back Zivele Kal. Eastern Cape is not just a home of legend. Is the heart of music. It's the heart of rhythm. That's where most vocals and actors are coming from. So this project, we need to have a tour with these 9 artists that is supported by PCM, starting from my project at the NAF, Grahamstown National Arts Festival. and getting out there. We need to go out there to the Eastern Cape Art Centers, working with the ICANN as coordinators, because those guys, they are doing a very good job in terms of uh, advocating for us and providing platforms for us that we may practice and showcase our craft on stage, our performance.